Hi, good day. This is Alex from Internal Secret. So in today's review, this is a new video platform whereby it's something very similar to YouTube channel. Like you can create your own channels or your account inside this platform, and you can actually upload video. You can whether you can upload video from your own local uh, machine, or you can actually upload from Vimeo or from the YouTube into this platform. Then from there you can actually incorporate a lot of monetization accents, or you can actually display ad, right? You can place an advertisement code inside this. All these videos are using a single platform. Okay, then you can also share this all video using to their built-in social medias sharing. You can share or to all the social media and start getting traffic on this video, and you can actually when people watch the video, you can actually monetize this. It's very similar to what YouTube is doing, but it's something I think you can have this everything on your own control, right? You can actually have a lot of different kind of monetization, right? So that's basically what Flix is going to do. Is some of my background about this software. Okay, it sounds really fantastic. If this is something you like to try, and definitely it's say this simple 4-click process make $53 per hour by exploiting a secret platform. The secret platform is what they give it to you, right? So this is certain and duplicate the result in 21 seconds, right? It's not selling require you to create on video, things like that. Everything is just click and just paste, integrate your advertisement codes, things like that. So feel free to go to every single detail of this sales page. You can see say make 1,000 in one day, things like that, and also testimonial have been put up. You only 3 click here to get all these things done, and some testimonial have been shown to you here also. You can also use it to promote any affiliate by using this video, right? Okay, so this is basically about this, and these two gentlemen is behind this. Okay, this is from the Jason and Sean. All right. Okay. So just come back to my review page of this. So have a look into this. Pro is a work for even total beginner, no selling, nothing to sell, or simple for quick process. Right. Anyone can follow. Right. You don't need to do any work. There's nothing to you to be done. Just be use back the upload some of the video from the existing platform like YouTube or any video. Okay, right, so this is what Flix is able to do. What if possible to get paid for other people's hard work means that you actually making use of other people's video to become yours, right? Quite interesting app to try out, right? So for the price of $19, you're actually able to fund, and it's only $19, and there's a couple of OTO one, 297 OTO two, and also there are 5 OTO come together with the front end, right? Come with the money back guarantee also, so you are 100% risk free, right? Okay, so I have a look into this my model search here. So there's a little bit about the Flix, right? Really simple app to actually monetize using other people's video. So if you get Flix today, we'll have the link below my video here, and if you buy the front end or any OTO was going to get my so-called this OTO, this is a special bonuses, right? If you buy fund and any on the OTO, you're entitled to get my DF1 money. This is 50,000 make money on 9 subscriber. You can log into your auto responder and start monetize from day one. So you don't have to create your head, how to build your list and things like that. Everything have been taken care for you. So the next one is Traffic Cloud. Traffic Cloud is a cloud app. Actually, it's a software to drive free traffic from 3 top social media in 3 simple clicks. So you're getting this another fantastic social media's traffic software, right? So you can actually use this software to promote this Flix, inside this Flix platform. You can the video you can use it to use this software or traffic cloud to promote. Automate marketing kit, actually this is one of my product I've been launched in part last year, right? Basically this is something really special. You can actually have your own sales page, landing page, Facebook app, launch email, any kind of email, the content of this app copy, emails, pages, right? You have been taken care by using this all the template. Over 100 template, you can just key in a few information, then you can easily come out on some marketing material, sales page, landing page, right? So this one is a 15 free traffic method you don't know use. So 15 free traffic you never heard before. Use it also to make the best of your Flix. Okay, so you can use it to promote your Flix videos by using. And when you send this video to all these people, definitely the click rate is very high. Pay underground traffic source. This is the top 6 pay underground traffic source for your website. Also, Nova, the best TikTok traffic app. Okay, and we have a JavaScript commission, the best Instagram traffic app also here. And 3x the best Twitter traffic app. Or you can actually make use of this traffic app, right? And my free traffic here, you can actually make use of all this, right? To actually to make the best of the Flix platform. You can use it to promote the video inside the Flix platform to get you a lot of click, view, and ultimately it's going to get you a lot of revenue from the view into this video. Okay, so we have this social media marketing tool. You can easily auto post, schedule, Instagram post along with Facebook and Twitter. All this is high quality software, traffic software have been bundled together to you, and some of the tools here is going to make your life easier of engaging the or you're posting content to the social media. I have also 100 video giveaway, 250 video you can use it to promote your blog and site and give away for engagement, etc. And audio video reseller, like you can actually create your own audio trade easily using this tool, and you can actually sell it also. And if you're creating video, definitely you need some audio trade also. Exclusive building training with 100 free solo app, and this is against another high quality bonuses. By the end of this video training, you actually can be getting 100 solo app. Click OK to promote any affiliate. YouTube Hack 2021 YouTube channel SEO are the two key bonuses I put together to actually to help you to learn your YouTube video. This is the same method I've been using to learn on YouTube video and channel. High ticket system is learn how to make high ticket commission selling, high ticket product, super affiliate software funnel. This is also 3 best affiliate software you can sell as part of the funnel behind, and this is come with affiliate reseller like also, right? So it's 5802 on the cloud app, and use it to actually optimize SEO for your website, blog, things like that, and product launch attack, right? It's again this is another also, and to get the best of your new launch, right, using this email search is actually you can actually increase your open rate, click on your email by applying these few things, and inside these bonuses you are going to get the end-to-end this full we have this SAS app. You can actually also create your own email timer, self-destructing at that end. You can make use of this email search. 250k funnel tunnel is drag and drop funnel builder with nearby template and video creation app. We have the wireless traffic cloud app also, and this is affiliate store builder, and this is another really special bonuses how to actually make money without you selling anything, right? Okay, so that is one of the fantastic thing, right? And hundreds of giveaway, build your list using the giveaway. You have video rebuild software template, use it to build your list using this giveaway, and all have 100 items inside here, right? Okay, so the vendor will be giving you some bonuses here. As you see here, there's some bonuses that come together with the vendors, right? So you can easily pick this all these bonuses here from the vendor, and this is the shortcut. This is wait a second, have a look into the end of the page. Probably just search for bonus, and okay, you're able to. This is for action bonus 1, and how to make 2k per day invite and fixed accelerator, right? Recurring 30-second free commission, super license, right? So all these vendor bonuses and together with my bonuses, you're going to get inside this what I plus earlier, right? And also I have also 10 more bonuses to give to you, exclusive bonus one, and this case study about 600 plus 600,000 plus YouTube views, how to find close high ticket paying customer and where the track critical exposure, nominate YouTube without showing any face, and this case study personal branding, blueprint, storytelling, marketing, and Pinterest profit also by a trigger reseller like Facebook apps, click and one scaling. All these exclusive bonus together with the other bonuses that add up more than 100 bonuses I put together. All these high quality bonuses, you're going to get this together with this Flix, right? So tech file session today is only for the price on $19. Just $19, you're getting this amount of high quality bonuses, right? Okay, this is a best offer for you, and for the price of $19, and the bonus you're going to get, the value of the bonus is more than just $19, and in fact this has cost me a lot of effort and money to put this bonus together for you, right? So take 5 session today and click the link below the video and come to my review page, right? And also grab this fix, right? So before I end today's presentation, let me quickly show to you in fact this some of the demo of this software. Okay, can easily show to you, and when you log into this fix, this login page, you'll be seeing this, right? Okay, this is one on the sample of this existing demo of this channel. So it is this thing is built very similar to the setting on the YouTube channel. You notice, right? You can have a channel, you can build your channel using this software playlist. Also can have my ethical video studio, Monetize channel, and support training. Everything is all in one here, right? Okay, so very simple. This is some of the sample channel. You can actually all this video they actually coming from existing YouTube. It could be some other sources. It could be on video you have stored into your own machine, and you can actually upload it to your platform here, and also and you can actually share all this video using the social media. The traffic can be easily can be shared from this platform itself. You can upload, import, right? You can see you can do upload means to upload from your existing locals, right? Well, okay, you can drop a video or you can actually upload. Okay, upload means to say you can import, or you can import from two sources, YouTube or the Daily Motion. Okay, in YouTube. Okay, so you're making use of existing video content. You don't even have to create your content, and this is how when you import from YouTube. This is what it say, the keyword public search, and you can actually choose a category also, right? So this is how easy number and the category. Okay, so this auto import is a manual import, means to say these are all the video based on your keyword. Then you can actually select which one you want to import, right? Okay, very simple. Okay, here's an example. You can see these are the videos pertaining to the keyword. You can actually choose which one to import. Okay, so you can select which one to import and import the selector for. And then once you import selector for, you will actually import into your channel inside this specific platform. Okay, so you can easily you can change the title also, description, right? You can even place your own you can place your own affiliate link inside here. So a lot of things can be done using this, right? So it's really simple thing. Okay, so very straightforward and very easy to use software. There's no complicated step here, and you can have a look also, and this is how it look like. This is like your channel, so you can actually set up all the monetizations things, and you can set up your image app. Okay, bottom where you want to position and link to the delay. You can have your also affiliate link here, right? And this is start of the video, and this is so you can set the setting. You see, these are the different type of monetization of informed events by button, CTA button, Google video app on. You can have a video app here also, and also Google's accent. Okay, right? To monetize from this different advertisement right there. So pretty cool, right? So you can set when you do display, okay, toward the end of when, okay. You can say set when, and also you can also have a button style, okay. Pretty cool, right? This is really unique thing. Right? I like this somewhere quite much. Right? This is a lot of you can imagine you can actually the upload all this and also become your own sub channel, and you can actually start sharing all this as your own channel, and you can actually even change the link inside the YouTube video. Yeah, so this is something I feel I would like to give you guys a try. It's something it look like very promising. It's a different way of getting traffic from the YouTube. Don't have you. We can utilize other people's video content to become yours, and can actually have promote different product using this all these videos because video it's definitely video is going to have a lot of view if you have this video, right? So that is basically the idea behind this Flix platform. Is something pretty cool. I would like to highly recommend to you, right? This is something you should give yourself a try, and it's a much different idea or thought of making money by using this because using this way, you can actually easily get some of the so-called some of the video we have very high view, high engagement from existing YouTube, and you can really upload into your platform and become yours. So definitely, if that video have already have very high view or engagement in this YouTube channel, definitely when you upload back to become your video and you place your own affiliate, you're going to get a lot of view, right? So definitely when the more and view come and any link you place inside the video or to monetize, definitely you are going to get a lot of click and convert into sales. Okay, that's it. So there is a fantastic idea of with the brand new idea of making money online using other people's content, like legally using other people's content, and I'm sure this is going to help you to make more money online by using this method. And do far, as I said, take fast action today. Click the link below this video. Come and grab all my 100 plus bonuses. I get an email access to Flix. I'm sure this software is going to take your business to the next level. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.